This piece of hair keeps going in the center. I don't know what to do. We're just gonna hold it for a second. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my monthly favorites video. If you guys don't know, I have a series on my channel where I post my monthly favorites at the end of every month. So if you guys like videos like these, consider subscribing. So I had a little setback, so I haven't been posting any videos, but I just created this fall look. If you guys haven't, follow me on my socials. Also, I do have another video coming up where I will be filming a demo and review on these guys here. It's been quite a while since I posted my story. Again, had a little setback, but things are good. We're back on track. So let's get started with my monthly favorites. First monthly favorites I'm going to talk about are these cotton squares. Definitely a underdog. I mean, I normally use the traditional cotton rounds. You buy them in a triple pack from Costco or anywhere that you can get your hands on at a drugstore, Target, etc. But these are definitely a game changer. I normally like to use the Shiseido's cotton squares. They are so fancy on the skin. When you put solutions or toners and any type of liquid products on there, it doesn't break off and it's still thick and you can still use it for the whole face. I'll flip it over, use it down my neck and like on my eyelids. I'm so happy I decided to try these out because I don't want to spend an arm and a leg on the Shiseido ones. These are so great. Again, they are thick. You can actually use as much or as little as you want. You can even take them out, but traditionally it's about this size. Once you put solution on it, it just absorbs nicely. It doesn't get thin and breaks off. It's just so nice, very flexible. Like I said, you can put more of the solution on here. It doesn't break off. You could use it for the whole face. Again, flip it over for down your neck or on your eyelids, and even like when you're doing swatching. I just love the feel of this. It's just so comfortable, and honestly, it's so affordable, but it feels so luxe, just like the Shiseido ones. To be honest, for the video, I just wasted a square and wasted some solution from my micellar water. For those who are just tuning in for the first time, I am a bridal hair and makeup artist. I sometimes have multiple clients in a day, whether it's a large wedding or I'm just going from location to location to location. And with that, there's very minimal time in between to clean my brushes and tools. So I thought of a really good idea for myself. I purchased these, oh, I'm so sorry, it's like so glaring from the light. I bought these very thin pencil cases. As you can see, it's like literally paper thin. It has a little plastic zipper where it's easy to open and close. And it also has, oh my God, my hair. It also has a little pocket here in the front that you can label them if you want to. So what I did is I kind of created a little set here. Basically, it's a face powder brush, concealer, eyeshadows, basically what I would use on one face. And I wrote the client's name and I guess you could say their position, which is a bride. Then I have a maid of honor, bridesmaid 1 and bridesmaid 2. So these are super convenient and it's easier to just travel with in my makeup cases. I do have a large makeup case, but sometimes it can get bulky, or again, if I'm moving from location to location, it's easier to carry these in my makeup kit than to have like all these straps on my shoulders and hands. I also posted a TikTok on these, so if you guys haven't, follow me. In addition to my makeup kit, I bought myself a new fan. I normally use a traditional paper or like a wooden one that you just open and close, but that one has been used very heavily that it's starting to die. I have hella fans at home, but I needed something small and thin for my makeup case. This is a USB rechargeable fan, very easy to use, very light, and it's pretty strong. Here, let's test this out. This is speed 1, look at my hair. Woo! And then there's speed 3. Okay, that was probably a little too strong. The purpose of this fan is to dry my client's lashes, after skincare, some sprays, And honestly, it's still summertime. The weddings I've been working, it's just been like super hot. Even in the hotel, there's just many people or the AC is just not strong enough. I will cool down my client with this guy. The Ordinary. This is a very popular skincare product. Very affordable at Sephora, and I believe they also sell this at Ulta. I'm not too sure. I'll fact check it in a second. You guys know I love products that contain niacinamide. So this here, believe it or not, has 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. I believe in my past videos, I did mention who would need 10% niacinamide. I take that back because I do. This product is a high-strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula with 10% pure niacinamide and 1% zinc PCA. Niacinamide helps reduces the appearance of skin blemishes and signs of congestion, visibly brightens skin tone. This is also great for someone who is concerned about pores and oiliness. I literally have pores in the center of the face, so I like to slather this on. This also helps with reducing the fine lines. So I have fine lines here that I like to slather on. Of course, like my crow's feet. I don't have as much crow's feet. I mean, I do, but it's not as pronounced as like my 11s here. And also my upper lip. I do have a lot of lines here. So I like to basically just slather this on and just let it soak for like 10 minutes, and then I'll seal the deal with the moisturizer or night cream. Keep in mind, this is oil-free and vegan. Speaking of vegan, I have another product here by Physicians Formula. This here is the Butter Bronzer Palette. It has 3 beautiful shades here. I've actually tried 1, 2, and all 3 together. It's such a beautiful combination. I didn't want to wear any highlight today, so as you can see, there's no highlight, but I decided to mix these 2 colors together for my inner eyes. It's kind of hard to see because there's no like reflected on there. Just smelling this just reminds me of like bronzing kind of solution. I know that sounds bad, but it's like a good type of bronzing tanning lotion. I mean, it just smells like coconuts. Like the sunset, you're hanging out at the beach, drinking a Mai Tai. That's what this smells like, and that's where I want to be, guys. Because if I can't be there, using this on my face makes it feel like I'm there. I'm just gonna quickly talk about these. I know it's gonna be a repeat in the other video, but I have been loving this foundation. It's so beautiful. I mean, just look at this bottle. It's so cute. I love how it has like this H on here. It's a glass bottle. I'm wearing this foundation right now, and it just gives such a glowy finish. It has 20 plus different types of skincare benefits in here, which is amazing. It just feels so good on the skin. One pump can fill the whole face. I even used it as a concealer. It's so good. And also, this product, it just smells good. It feels like it smells good for your skin, if that makes sense. This bronzer is so nice. Again, I'm wearing this right now. I just love the application of it. I love this bronzer. When I first swatched this, I had no idea what to think of with the texture. And then I rubbed it again and I felt it, and it felt exactly what I was thinking. I was like, it's not silky, not powdery, it's not drying. It just has like a velvety velour type of texture, which is so nice. It's just so smooth on the skin when you're applying it on. The application is amazing. And it has no smell. Amazon got me. Okay, the last 2 products I bought are these guys. I don't know if you guys seen these hair claws that have these cute little tassels at the end. So freaking cute. I forget if I was on Instagram, but it got me. So I bought these on Amazon. I couldn't decide which one to buy, so I bought the gold and the silver. And that's basically it for my monthly favorites, guys. If you guys haven't already, again, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.